Hello friend, welcome to the channel. Today, I am going to be sharing 5 simple steps that would help you save for a house faster than you think. Also, in the course of this video, I am going to be leaving you 2 important bonus tips. So do listen to the end and don't miss out on these. Step 1, set a clear goal. The first step in saving for a house is to set a clear goal. You need to know how much you want to save and by when. Typically, you will need 5 to 10% of the house purchase price for a down payment. Let's say, for example, you want to buy a house that costs £200. A 10% down payment of the 200k will be £20,000. But if you're going for a lower down payment, say 5%, then you'll be looking at £10,000. Once you have your target number, you can break it down into monthly saving. This is where a clear goal becomes very crucial. Step 2, open a high yield savings account. You want to make sure your money is growing whilst you are saving. A high yield savings account is a perfect place to stash your down payment savings because it offers higher interest rate than the regular savings account. Check with your bank for accounts with high interest rate and no fees at all. Make sure this account is separate from your daily savings account so that you are not tempted to dip your hands into it. Now, my first bonus tips. This is for couple or partners who are buying their first home. If you both can agree, don't buy your first house in joint name. The advantage of this is that you both can take advantage of the lower down payment of 5 to 10% in case you decide to buy your second home. If you ignore this and buy in joint name, your down payment for your second home will be 25%. So on a house price of 200k, for example, you'll be looking at a down payment of 50k. Don't ask me why, because this is a government thing. Step 3, to save for your home, cut unnecessary expenses. To save faster, look at your budget and cut any unnecessary expenses. This does not mean that you have to give up on everything, but try and trim the fat. You can start by reducing things as dining out or expensive vacations. For example, cooking at home instead of eating out could save you some money each month. The key here is to redirect those savings into your house fund. Step 4, boost your income. Cutting expenses is great, but how about if you could also increase your income? Finding ways to boost your earning could help increase your down payment savings or sell off some of the things lying around that you don't need. All that extra cash should go straight into your down payment savings. Think of it as a temporary hustle that will pay off in the long run. Step 5, automate your savings. The easiest way to stay on track is to automate your savings by setting up things as direct debit or standing order. Set up a direct debit that will transfer from your current account into your savings account on payday. This way, you are saving without even thinking about it. By setting up a standing order, you are making it a priority and ensuring that you are consistently building towards your goal. Even if it's a little amount for a start, consistency is what matters. My second bonus tip. If you are a first-time home buyer, check out government program like the Help to Buy scheme. This can help you qualify for a home with a lower down payment or provide grants to cover part of your cost. Some programs even offers down payment assistance if your income qualifies. For instance, in the UK, the Mortgage Cash ISA savings account. This can help on reaching your goals faster. Now, let's quickly recap the 5 steps to save for a house. 1, set a clear saving goals for your down payment. 2, open a high yield savings account to grow your money. 3, cut unnecessary expenses and redirect that cash into your savings. 4, boost your income with a side hustle, or sell things you don't need. 5. Automate your saving so that you never miss a deposit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. See you in the next one.